Hi, welcome to Ask Ankush K. Sood Realty Talk Show. It's a realtor talk show. We always cover many things for the realtors. It's all about realtors' life. I want to tell you about strategies has happened in 2020. It's was pandemic, it was epidemic, whatever you call, but it is something tragic for every industry. And I'm always concerned about realtors and the realtors' life. I know that there are underperforming potential in many realtors, and that is just a lack of confidence. How to get out of that lack of confidence from you, how to get out your swag in you. You know that, and I know that you have that growth mindset which can get your targets to be achieved in 2021. There are predictions. I can predict your success, I can predict your target achievement. You need to tell me how many calls you are making every day and where are your follow-ups. There are discipline in your life, and that discipline counts. Let me share those 5 disciplines which actually every realtor need to have these days to hit that 2021 target mindset and to come out of that underperforming potential. I mean, you have a target achievement, okay, you want to have a targets, but your discipline is here and your target is here. You have to match that. I mean, you want to have a income target of 50 lakhs per annum, and you whereas you know that your ticket size, average ticket size is approximately 1 cr. So how many conversions you want? It is a reverse maths or reverse calculation that need to be aligned with your discipline and the target. Let me ask you the questions for you. What are the new disciplines you have in your life to align with your targets to be achieved, or align with your sales success targets which you want to achieve for you, your team, and your real estate agency or your real estate professional work? I tell you the 5 disciplines which I find carry out for myself and many good realtors they are doing. Let me start with it. The first and the foremost thing to get massive success out of you is about update about your industry. How much update you have? At least read something 30 minutes every day, twice a day. It is purely your call. It gives you the confidence to know about the market. It gives you the information about to discuss with other. When you go to someone, they ask you about the market. When you study about the market or study about the price trends, most of the people, most of the realtors, they don't think and they don't do it like this. You need to understand the price trends of high rise market. You need to understand the what is sellable in the market, what is not sellable, what is expired in the market, what are the actual pricing of built up houses. You need to actually have a segmented client target audience and their budget segment, and what product is sellable in the market. You need to understand. Let's say that you, if somebody asks you what is about the market, how is market going on, you need to differentiate that. I study for at least 30 minutes a day just to read about the market. You have a market update, you tell them which area you are looking about, and these are the 3 points which you want to discuss about them after your market study. It gives you confidence, and knowledge is a way to get a confidence. Knowledge is making you expertise. So just do study for 30 minutes a day about market updates. It is really required. Second thing is about your knowledge, and it is about your follow-ups. I mean, knowledge about your business. follow up zero. What do you mean by follow up zero? What's that? Follow up zero is something like you have a follow ups every day. In corporates, when we were working there, we always want to have a zero emails of the day. We want to fix up all emails same day, so that our inbox is zero. But in real estate business, we can say that our follow-up should be zero. If you have two follow-ups yesterday and day before yesterday you have a four follow-ups, you could not able to make it in the whole month. It might be 30 or 50 follow-ups. And if you have spoken to the client that you will be following up by tomorrow and you have not followed up, that means you are not reliable to the client. You are already gone. And let me tell you, and if you ask me, it is you are not reliable. You are out of that trust zone, because client satisfaction comes in industry first these days. So follow up zero, whether it is 50 calls, whether it is 30, whether it is 2 follow-ups, you have to finish it today itself. It's like brushing your teeth every day. You need to do it. Then third one is about document your day. When you talk about document your day, yes, documenting yourself, what you are doing every day makes sense. It will help you to assess where are you going out of track. Let's say you have analyzed your lead management system, you have accesses that lead management system, and you made 3 points. You share it with your colleagues, because it will help you to have a top of mind that you are doing something in your LMS, you have a database and you are sharing it. So it will help others also, and it will help you to assess yourself, and you are just documenting your day. It increase your confidence, it increase your insight of your LMS, your CRM, to get right productivity out of you. Then fourth one is make your calls. If you want to come out of that scenario of underperforming potential of yours just because of 2020, just ask yourself and be honest, how many calls you have made that time. I mean, it is a scenario, since we are getting into the business since very long. We are doing sales and marketing. It is a vicious circle of sales and marketing we are doing, making calls every day, fixing up the appointments, and going for a 1 call or 2 calls a day for a client visit. How many calls you have generated so far in last 3 months? It is a circle of 90 days or 120 days. You are making calls. It is 3-2-1 formula. 3 hours of making calls, then 2 hours of fixing up appointments, and 1 hour for making appointment. I mean, going for an appointment, fixing up one appointment. That means, wherein these days you can have a power of 3 hours of SMSing. You have a power of 3 hours of sending personal notes on WhatsApp to the client. You must have the clients in your phone, and you are not knowing who is he. That makes nonsense. I mean, you should know. From knowing to unknowing, it is a process, or unknowing to knowing, it is a process. You need to understand that you have to spend your 3 hours for making calls, making email, doing email marketing, making more listing, getting more appointments, and it will help you to achieve your income targets. It will help you to achieve your potential within yourself, to gain your confidence again, to hit the market with massive success. Last but not least is about having education about real estate. 30 minutes education about in the language of investor, how to invest, not in the language of seller or buyer. 30 minutes read about taxation point of view for this buying and selling of the properties. What are the various aspects? These education need to update you. And if you are asking me about if I may ask you, what are your discipline, those discipline which will help you to lead to the success of sales of real estate business of yours, just share it with me. I, in the comments, wherever I am finding you, whether it is a LinkedIn, whether it is a Facebook, whether it is a YouTube, just share your 5 discipline which will help you attain. I tell you, if you say that, if I ask you what is your discipline, you say I want to be more focused, please don't give me that scrap, because I don't know how to measure your focus. You have to make an action plan for that. You should have accountability partners. You should have a 3 buddies or 4 buddies. Just tell them to ask you 4 questions. Those 4 questions which will help you to get out of that underperforming potential of yours. First question, how you handle your finances. Second, how you handle your relation fidelity. Third, how you handle your your success or with integrity. How you handle your family problems. Last but not least, where did you tell lie about it? Just find those buddy partners, those accountability partners, or those friends which will help you to attain. Because discipline in business and these 4-5 disciplines which I have shared will help you to come out of that underperforming potential of yours and become a great massive success in year 2020 and achieve your income targets and revenue targets for yourself. Thank you. I am Ankush K. Sood, father of 2 smart kids, always inspired by my better half to achieve my dreams and goals. Co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends in year 2014, real estate agency. Prior to that, worked for multinational companies almost for 17 years, like brands like ICICI Prudential, HDFC Life. Turned web real estate strategist and a coach. My mission is to support 1111 realtors to come out of underperformance and regain their position in the market. I have a purpose of life through my various channels. You can go to my website also, linked below in this video, and you can be a part of my community and my tribe, wherein I have a mission to support realtors to make difference in my life and yours life. Thank you about this realty talk show.